Hi, I'm Stuart from SAB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so if we come down here, you can see we've got this flashing to do to this felt upstand. Got a little bit of detail here first. You can start with a little bit of vertical step through there, going into a straight flashing there. Then we're going to have like a corner piece on here, which is going to be vertically stepped all the way down there. Then we've got a nice bit of straight flashing all the way through here to do on this joint here. Quite a nice decent run of that, so that's quite nice. Then we've got another corner section to do in here as well, and then it's got to be mastic pointed as well. Now in an ideal situation it would have been nice to actually cut my chases out before this top layer of mineral felt was put down, because obviously I'm going to cover this in lots of mess, and it's going to stick to this roof as well because it's all wet at the moment. So I think what I'm going to do, especially with this long run through there, I think I'm going to lay some Tyvek roofing felt all the way through there with an upstand. We should be able to take out at least 90% of all the mess. So let's get that sorted first. Okay, so I've got a nice bit of protection laid out through there now. I've done the same on this end too. What I've also just done is I've just marked where my vertical steps are going to be. I allowed 160 from this corner. Just got a level up and just marked all those joints just so I know how far to cut out. Just done the same on this section as well. Just see my marks just down there. So now it's all marked and protected. What I'm going to do now is start chasing this all out. Okay, so that's all that chasing out done now. That felt really did help protect the roof. I've also just poured some buckets of water over this. So what I'm going to do now is let this side dry out, come round this side over here, and start getting this vertical step flashing in. Okay, so let's get this bit of vertical marked up. I've got a piece of lead here, cut to size. I've already bent up 150mm there and marked a 75mm waterline, and I've just marked 170mm on that edge there, which is halfway on that point there. So I'm just going to offer this up now. That's right up there. What I'll do now is just mark all these joints. Just going to lightly scribe them. Yeah, that's what I need to make sure it hasn't slipped. That's it. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take this over to the bench, get that knocked up. Okay, so let's get this bit knocked up. Okay, so that is now ready to go in. Okay, so let's get this wedged in. I've got some haul clips for this, it just makes it so much easier. Okay, so that's all wedged in now. What I need to do next is just trim that bottom edge. Once I've done that, we can start getting all that long runs flashing in. Okay, so that's that bottom edge all trimmed up now. So that's now ready to be pointed. But I'm going to leave that for the minute. What I'm going to do now is come round here, get some lengths of flashing knocked up, then start getting all this in through here. Okay, so let's get some lengths knocked up. Just going to lightly scribe 25mm on that. do a couple more. It's actually a really nice day today in the UK. We've had so much rain lately. Probably spoken too soon, it'll probably be peeing down tomorrow. Now I've said that. Oh, that was close. I thought that was going to go all the way down. Must be my lucky day. I'll have to get a lottery ticket on the way home. One more, and that's that roll gone. Okay, now they're all knocked up, what I'm going to do now is just sit them in there and get them wedged in. Okay, so that's all those lengths sat into position. So let's get them wedged in. Okay, that's that flashing all wedged in now. So now that's in, what I can do now, get this next corner section in here, then we can point it all in. Okay, that's that other corner section in there now. Just pointed all that flashing in as well, and giving it all another coat of patination oil. So that is job done. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.